Take two. Hello, painting thieves, and welcome. It's Kathleen from COZ Creations. Welcome to the No Bra Zone, guys. It is a special day. It's a very special day for me. I have a visitor who flew 5,000 miles from Germany, and my heart is full. Guys, I want you to meet Yen C. Art. Come on out here, Yen.
Hi, everyone.
Yen is also a wonderful artist. He has a YouTube channel, and I will certainly post the link in the description box. Go see my friend. He's not only handsome and a good person, he's a wonderful, wonderful artist. He's going to be here with me for a day or two, and I'm over the moon excited. We're going to be doing a swipe, guys. He's going to be working on a 10 by 20. I'm going to be working on a 10 by 20. And would you introduce the colors
Yes,
to
I
our
will
friends?
introduce the colors. So first we have this gold. I'll try to show you the consistency, if you can see it. Those are the colors. It's 24K from DecoArt, and it's golden, iridescent gold fine. And then the next one we have is the quinacridone.
Keyword.
Orange, burnt orange, right?
That's
Yeah,
correct.
burnt orange.
And this is a heavy body paint, so it took a little bit of water. What's our pouring medium today?
Pouring medium today is Flotrol. The
And
US
water.
Flotrol and water.
This girl's out of GAC 800. Be still my heart.
The next color we have is, it's a mix of quinacridone nickel azo gold and the burnt sienna, both from golden, what is it?
Fluid paint.
Fluid paint.
Yeah.
I don't have the golden, so yet. I will soon. Next one is also from golden, and it is phthalo turquoise, right? Yeah.
That is in a fluid paint. Very nice. A little
Delicious.
bit of a mound when it drizzles off the popsicle
It looks
stick
really delicious.
into the paint below.
Okay, base coats. We're
Yes.
gonna do a split base. So we have, this is a mix of all kinds of colors. It's gold based. So it's got golden, iridescent gold in it. It's got golden quinacridone nickel azo gold. It's got DecoArt 24K. And the iridescent gold fine, I think I said.
Just a little bit of everything.
just a
We
little
were
of
playing.
everything. Can you see it? I think you can. Yeah. And the other one is, that's a big one. It is also a mix of leftover colors. So it's black mixed with blue. And there was some kind of greenish
I don't
in it. I don't know
remember.
what that was. But that's the other base coat. There we go.
Well, we're going to be getting down to the canvas. I'm going to position the camera so you can see both of us painting. Are you a righty or a lefty?
I'm a lefty.
So do you need to be on this side?
Probably better here because I won't bother you then.
Okay, there you go. I don't mind you bothering me. So we're going to get down to the canvas, and we have our colors. We're going to pick what we want to swipe with, how we want to lay our base coat colors, and we're just here to have fun.
Yes.
With my darling friend, guys. Thanks for being here. Let's get busy.
Okay.
flower. Life is a winding road, no telling where it goes. Driving through days and nights, won't stop for traffic lights. And I really wanna know, if I will ever figure out where the road goes. Even if I'm falling down, I will keep on searching for my highs. You can say I lost my mind, I will keep on holding my head high. Even if the sky is falling down. Jumping from cliffs so high, trusting our wings to fly. Sometimes we're crashing down, but we get up and start from the ground. And I really wanna know, if I will ever figure out where the road goes. Even if I'm falling down, I will keep on searching for my highs. You can say I lost my mind, I will keep on holding my head high. Even if the sky is falling down, even if the sky is falling down, yeah. The sky is falling down. Even if the sky is falling down, even if the sky is falling down, yeah. The sky is falling down.
We can pretend that we're just friends, yeah. But who are we kidding? We can pretend that we feel nothing, but if you're game, I am willing.